This is the K'NEX Serpent Spiral roller coaster released in 2007. The kit contains 1114 pieces and is for children 9 years and up. The instruction manual for this roller coaster comes in the box and also contains the instructions for another coaster called the Serpent's Tower. A third, smaller roller coaster is also available on the web. It is a much simpler build but could be used as practice before attempting the main version. Also, the instructions in PDF format are available for download at the K'NEX website, and I have included both links in the text box below.